Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you on how to paint this beautiful fountain in Acrylics. This is JMLisondra and I will be your teacher today, and without further ado, let's learn how to paint this beautiful fountain in Acrylics. Okay, you can see all the materials in the screen. You can see that the 5 limited colors or brushes that we need and all the things that we need to paint this painting. Okay, so I'm going to start now. Okay everyone, so the first step was to add a sketch and then the underpainting, which is the second step. If you want to refer to the underpainting everyone, you can watch the full tutorial of this video. You can find the tutorial on the description box or on the comment section. Okay everyone, so just enjoy the whole tutorial and let's learn how to paint this beautiful fountain. So I'll try to use this light brown color. Okay. So just do like that. Okay. My light source will be coming from the left side. Okay. So my highlights should be from the left side. So if you are painting with me everyone, just follow what I'm doing. It's kind of noisy now in my area. Workers are everywhere. There. Blue umber and then yellow and then red and then white and then blue umber. So to like that everyone. At least we will know which part are lights and which part are dark. Okay. We have here. Okay, so here. So I'm gonna use this yellow and then red and then white. There. I want it to be brighter if you want. Okay. And then we can use some umber and then white. Also here. There. And then you can create dark, everyone. Umber, red and the blue. Put it here. There. Okay. We can use this direct umber. There. Okay. Yeah. Some more, everyone. A little bit of light umber. And then add a little bit here. Okay, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna use this brush, everyone, this small brush. I'm gonna use this white. I just want to exaggerate this part here. There. There. Okay. Red and yellow. Umber. And then white. Can put a bit of yellowish everyone. So now let's put some fountain. Wait everyone. Yeah, I'm going to add here one in the center. Okay, on the fountain everyone, first we can mix for, no, I think I'm gonna use this brush everyone. Small flat brush. Blue and then red. All red everyone. And then white. The color should be light purple. Yeah. So it's from here to down to here. Okay. Okay, that's a fountain. And here also. Damn. Don't make it too plain everyone. Okay, I'm gonna use the small brush, the liner brush here. This one. Use the same color. And then here everyone, you can put some like like uh uh like a water that's splashing to going to the top. I don't know how to explain it. There. Okay, so now let's use some white. Let's use some plain pure white. So from here everyone, falling here. There. You can add a bit of white, water I mean. There. There, so the other part will be lighter. There, okay. Yeah, I thought it looks good, everyone. The colors looks good. It's focused on that part only, and I like it. And in this one also. There. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's all. So you have done it, everyone. And if you want to learn the whole process, you can just refer the link or the full link of the tutorial to the description box or to the comment section or even above this video, everyone. And you can see all the process there, including painting the backgrounds, painting those bushes, painting the grounds. So at this lesson, I just focus on the painting or on painting the fountain. I hope that you are happy with the result and you learn something, and you can also paint it your own. You can paint your own fountain. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching this video. And if you want to support me, you can support me on patreon.com/JMLisondra. You can watch more lessons there, exclusive lessons. And please don't forget to hit like, add some comments, and subscribe for more videos in the future. And also you can share this video everyone so that your friends who want to learn how to paint fountain, they can find it and they can also learn how to paint this beautiful fountain. Thank you. Have a nice day and God bless you all. All the glory, honor, and power, praises belongs to the Lord.